in this vlog we would like to deal with the implementation of Flutter hooks. Yes, in our previous tutorial we have gone through the Flutter hooks introduction. There we have used Flutter hooks for the implementation of the counter example. So we have considered a counter example so that it will be easier for everyone to understand, because the counter logic is being known by everyone who gets started with the Flutter application. Why? Because it's been provided as a basic application when you create any project. So we have made use of a hooks concept in the counter example. So instead of a stateful widget, we have used hook widget over there. So I think you are familiar with that particular tutorial, and if you are watching this tutorial for the first time, I would suggest you to please watch that particular tutorial so as to get a basic knowledge, because we are just continuing through that particular tutorial in this vlog. In our previous tutorial we have just made a button click to increment the counter, but now we try to auto increment the counter, and now let's try to see how we are making use of it. So in our previous tutorial, as we were dealing with the hook widget, we have made use of use state here instead of set state. So whenever we are trying to make use of a stateful widget, where we make use of the set state to update the state of our application, like whenever you increment the number, then we will try to update our text widget with the help of the set state. So for this we have made use of use state. So in this particular tutorial also we are making use of the use state, and also additionally we are making use of use effect here. So how we are making use of use effect here is like, instead of init and dispose, we are making use of use effect here. So init and dispose are the part of life cycle for a widget, and also set state. So we are avoiding all these three things like set state, init and dispose, and just we are making use of use state and use effect. And now we are trying to auto increment the number, and how we did this and what is the example we are making use of it. So now let's get started to see further.